Okay everyone, today I got this beautiful lip stain in the shade Hush from Timephoria, and I want to use it to go to work. So let's start with base. For my face, I'm going to be using this, which is the new L'Oreal Infallible cushion. I love this. I find it lasts all day and it's fast. And today I need to be fast. Okay, for concealer, what am I gonna use? I'm gonna use this one. Okay, I'm gonna be blending this in with a sponge. I'm going to be using my bronzer, this cool toned one. Have gone back to Coty Airspun face powder. I know, but there really is nothing better than Coty Airspun face powder. So that is the powder I'm going to use today. But first, let's spray my face. Now I'm going to move on to eyes, and I'm just going to be doing my basic black little micro wing. Glasses. Time to do eyebrows. Now, if you've never used this product before, I highly recommend you try it because it is absolutely foolproof. I'm not kidding. I wish I was. Your eyebrows will go nowhere. I mean, absolutely nowhere with this. They won't budge. They won't move. They won't run off. They won't smear off. And you can use the most basic, crappiest, non-long wear product ever, like the cheapest eyebrow pencil you can find. Use this and it won't go anywhere. I highly, highly, highly recommend this product. This is the INB Stellar. So now I'm going to apply my beautiful lip product and then decide on a blush. That's pretty. That's very, very, very pretty. This is the shade Hush. After some back and forth and hemming and hawing, for my blush, for this look, I've decided to use my L'Oreal Infallible blush in the shade, what shade is this? This is the purple shade, the berry shade, Everlasting something berry. This is the berry shade because this is a kind of a cool berry tone. My nose is so pink. This is kind of brighter than I want it to be. So boy, this is pretty. This is very, very pretty. What a pretty look I've come up with. I love these colors. Actually, let's up my bronzer just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's do another set with my setting spray. Mascara. And that's it. This is my look for work today. I think this is beautiful. I think I look alive. I'm going to do a very different look tomorrow from this one. Tomorrow is going to be my Deadly Goth look.